The boom of artificial intelligence in recent years is undeniable. Daily news about AI, students using ChatGPT, companies announcing they are incorporating into their processes. AI provides such automatic and speedy responses that we forget what lies behind it. How does it work? What data does it use to generate its responses? If we understand how it works, we will better understand its risks. We have heard dramatic claims that AI could destroy humanity, or more positive arguments that it could solve the world's biggest problems. Let's start at the beginning. Algorithms. An algorithm is a set of instructions. If an engineer wants a computer to do something specific when a button is pressed, they will write an algorithm that indicates when the button is pressed, the computer will do this. There are algorithms that we all understand and use, like a recipe, but they are also behind social networks where they choose what we see, or we have the Uber algorithm, which decides what we will pay for a ride. Algorithms are the foundation of artificial intelligence. By definition, AI is the combination of algorithms designed to create machines that exhibit the same capabilities as humans. But not all algorithms are artificial intelligence. When we talk about AI, we talk about a type of algorithm that learns, that can give itself instructions to improve. These algorithms are trained with millions and millions of data. Based on this data and the rules and instructions they are programmed with, AI systems automatically relate concepts, perform complex calculations, or find patterns. This does not mean that AI truly understands what it's learning. AI cannot think for itself. It has no consciousness. It only executes orders programmed by a human. It's not Terminator. We also shouldn't think of an artificial intelligence, as there isn't just one. It is a general term for a technology, but there are many different AI systems. For example, machine learning is a type of AI that has learned to learn. It can absorb a large amount of data, find patterns, and draw conclusions. If you want this type of AI to know how to identify images of rabbits, you show it many pictures of rabbits. The model will analyze the images and find patterns that define this animal, such as the ears. It will then use these to identify rabbits in other images. A more complex type of AI is deep learning, a machine learning based on neural networks inspired by how the human brain processes data. They can extract features from complex data like images, text, or sounds. There is also generative AI that generates images, videos, or text. With it and programs like ChatGPT or DALL-E, we have experienced a revolution, but AI is not something new. In the 1960s, the first AI programming language was developed, but it is in recent years that we have seen an explosion thanks to greater access to data and increased computational capacities. More access to AI implies more risk. One is that AI systems can be black boxes. That is, there are AI models that give a result or make a decision without showing how they did it, lacking transparency. For example, Google discovered that its AI, Bard, had learned the Bengali language without being programmed to do so, and unexpectedly. Another risk of AI is biases, which can favor or disadvantage groups of people. AI systems inherit the sexist and racist biases of the people who program their algorithms, even if it was not their intention, and the data they are trained with. Like when you ask an image generation program to draw certain professions and situations. If biases are transferred to machines, using them can lead to injustice and inequality, as has happened when deciding on credit grants or job selection processes, where women or black people can be at a disadvantage. And like any technology, AI can be used for good or bad. For example, disinformation already existed before AI, but with these new tools, it is easier to generate it. AI systems can also make mistakes or provide inappropriate responses. Whether it is useful for a specific action will depend on whether it has been programmed for it, if it was trained with the right data, if it makes sense in that context. An AI created to help in cancer research may not be suitable for other diseases. Not everything is AI, and not all AI is either good or bad. It depends on how it is developed and what it is used for. Always remember how artificial intelligence works to keep its risks in mind. Some AI models function like black boxes. They generate results without showing how they were produced. AI algorithms can reflect the biases of the data they are trained with, leading to unjust decisions. The ability of AI to generate content automatically facilitates the creation and dissemination of this information.